So I'm here with the coach. We're at one of his local watering holes, and we're going to show you just how easy it can be to catch fish. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need crazy reels. All you're going to need is a hook, some bait, some line, and a cane pole. The coach is going to show us how to do it. Right there, we have some shrimp, size 6 hook, got some mono, got the strand, and coach is getting the cane pole set up.
Just like we did in the video. And I'm tying a Palomar knot just like we did in our video.
Keeping it simple.
We are keeping it as simple as possible out here.
So in here, it's just a storm drain, but as you can see way over there, you might not be able to see just because it's a little far away. Those are mosquito fish. A whole bunch of this algae. Got some of the grass along the bank, but I can see right there a pretty good size, maybe 5 to 6 inch sunfish right there. What do you say, that's a bluegill or?
No, it's a green sunfish.
Green sunfish right there. Let's see what we can get. So for size bait, coach always recommends the
That's what you need right there.
size of your pinky, the top piece portion.
Into the last digit on your pinky, and you just crack this a little bit.
And you remove the skin.
I usually do, and you really don't need all that much bait on here. People to ask me how much bait. You want to cover the bend of the hook. You want the shank and the point exposed, just like that.
Boom.
And there you have perfect bait for bass, catfish. I'm going to harvest a couple of these because I'm going to be going out to the Imperial Valley here in a couple of weeks on a scouting run. But there's our beautiful little green sunfish.
That was like what? 20 seconds? Not even 2 seconds? 3 seconds?
As soon as it sank below the level of the mosquito fish.
That's
So we're going to
hilarious.
keep a couple of these little guys for Imperial Valley bait.
And
Put them in the freezer, and I'll use them for those chunks later.
you don't even have to reload your bait. It's still there. I saw him take it. Got him.
Prettier fish than ever been made.
Nice. We're gonna go catch a couple more so you can take them to the Imperial Valley, but I hope you enjoyed this quick little simple fishing in the storm drain down here in San Diego. But try it yourself. If you catch anything, definitely let me know. If you like this video, subscribe, give it a like. Really appreciate you. And until next time, have fun fishing.